Welcome to Machine Learning for OpenCV, Supervised Learning by Michael Baylor, a course by Pact Publishing. I am Todd Heppenstall and I will be the presenter of this course. Michael Baylor is a postdoctoral fellow at the University of Washington in Seattle. His work lies at the intersection of neuroscience, computer vision, and machine learning. Michael is the author of two Pact books, OpenCV with Python Blueprints, 2015, and Machine Learning for OpenCV, 2017. He is an active contributor to several open-source software projects and has professional programming experience in Python, C or C++, CUDA, MATLAB, and Android. His technical blog can be found at www.askaswiss.com. Let's look at the overview of the course. The first section is a taste of machine learning, and will gently introduce you to the different subfields of machine learning and explain how to install OpenCV and other essential tools in the Python Anaconda environment. After that, the section Working with Data in OpenCV and Python explains the difference between training and test data and shows you how to load, store, manipulate, and visualize data with OpenCV and Python. The next section will introduce you to the topic of supervised learning by reviewing some core concepts such as classification and regression. You will learn how to implement a simple machine learning algorithm in OpenCV, how to make predictions about the data, and how to evaluate your model. Moving further, we will discuss how to extract the interesting stuff from your raw data. Post that, the section Using Decision Trees to Make a Medical Diagnosis will show you how to build decision trees in OpenCV and use them in a variety of classification and regression problems. The final section explains how to build support vector machines in OpenCV and how to apply them to detect pedestrians in images. This course walks you through the key elements of OpenCV and its powerful machine learning classes while demonstrating how to get to grips with a range of models. So, let's begin this journey together, and I hope to see you there.